In this lesson, we will use a reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 150 degrees. The first step is to sketch the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. Because the angle is positive, we now rotate counterclockwise 150 degrees. Rotating to the positive y-axis, we have 90 degrees. We need to rotate 60 degrees more to find the terminal side of 150 degrees. This would be the terminal side for 150 degrees. Now we'll label the reference angle and sketch the reference triangle. The reference angle is the acute angle formed using the terminal side of the angle and the x-axis, which is this angle here, which measures 30 degrees. And now we'll sketch the reference triangle by selecting a point on the terminal side of the angle and sketching a vertical segment to the x-axis here. Notice this forms a right triangle. This is the reference triangle. From here, notice we have a 30, 60, 90 reference triangle. If needed, I have a 30, 60, 90 reference triangle as well as a 45, 45, 90 reference triangle below. Because we're in the second quadrant where x is negative and y is positive, we can label the longer horizontal leg negative square root 3, the short vertical leg positive 1, and the hypotenuse 2. And now we can use this reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values. Cosine 150 degrees equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is negative square root 3 divided by 2. Sine 150 degrees equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is 1 divided by 2, or 1/2. The tangent function value equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is 1 divided by negative square root 3, or negative 1 divided by square root 3. Let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator. To do this, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 3, which gives us negative square root 3 divided by 3. The secant function value equals the reciprocal of the cosine function value, or using the reference triangle, the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side, which either way gives us 2 divided by negative square root 3, or negative 2 divided by square root 3. Again, let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator. This gives us negative 2 square root 3 divided by 3. The cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 divided by 1, or 2. Or using the reference triangle, cosecant theta equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which notice still gives us 2 divided by 1, which equals 2. And finally, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of negative 1 divided by square root 3 is square root 3 divided by negative 1, or negative square root 3. Or using the reference triangle, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the adjacent side to the opposite side, which is negative square root 3 divided by 1, or negative square root 3. I hope you found this helpful.